Good morning, friends. As you know, today is the International Peace Day. So let us see what is peace. Peace is a stress free state of security and calmness that come when there is no fighting or war. Everything coexist in perfect harmony and freedom. So let us see why the world peace is very important. Because without peace, it will not be possible to achieve the levels of trust, cooperation, and inclusiveness need for society to be reliant and shocks managing disputes and adapt to change the environment. The International Day of Peace today, it started in 1981 for commemorating and strengthening the idea of peace within and among the national and international peace, the nation and the people. Put simply, it aims to build a more peaceful world for everyone to live in it. Peace affects almost every aspect of our life. Therefore, it is required. The International Day of Peace, for this, we need that. But let us see what is how we can achieve peace. Because we are searching outside world. But as you know, the Eastern and Western culture, the Westerners, they go objective science, and the Eastern people, they for the subjective science. Subjective science means it within. But when you go outside more, you will find the objective is more. You go to the space, go to the outside world, you will try to control and bring the peace. But peace is not outside, it is within. Therefore, it is said the Eastern philosophers like India, the scientists of Bharat, they go for internal peace. How to control the mind and body, how to control the intellect. That is what very important. So when we go outside, we develop materially. Now every country is developed outside, but the very important is they are lacking of trust, they are lacking of confidence, even though they are thinking that they are the richest people, they are the richest country, but they don't have maintained peace. Therefore, it is required when the thing that we could understand the peace that is within. Therefore, country to country, now you look at what is the state of the world. Everybody is mistrust, distrust, that is going on. Therefore, it is only with, if you like others to live and let us live, then only peace will be possible. Therefore, thank you very much. Let us see inside, bring internal peace and be happy. Thank you very much.